Hi guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. I remain my humble self, Mr. Calculator. Let's consider this. Given that sine into bracket x minus 46 degree equal cos 62 degree, find the value of x. It is very simple. This is under sine and cos, under trigonometry. Don't forget that sine and cos, they are complementary angles. We are given that sine into bracket x minus 46 degree is equal to cos 62 degree. Now, looking at this now, we can use two methods actually. Yeah, we can use two methods. So, but the two methods is of different pattern, but you actually get the same answer. Now, looking at this, we can use the formula for complementary angle because sine and cos, they are complementary angle. The formula says sine theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. From this formula, we can now relate that sine, cos, they are sharing angle 90 degree. That's why cos 60 is equal to sine 30. That's why cos 30 equal to sine 60. Now, let's go. Now, it means wherever you see theta in this formula, I will represent my theta as x minus 46 degree. Now, it will now be equal to what? Sine theta. What's my theta? X minus 46 degree equal cos 90 minus theta. What is my theta? X minus 46 degree. Close the bracket. That is sine into bracket x minus 46 degree is equal to cos into bracket 90 minus times s minus x minus times minus plus what? 46 degree. We move on. That will now be equal to sine into bracket x minus 46 degree equal 90 plus 46 will give me cos into bracket 136 degree minus x. Now from here now, you can now see that sine x into bracket x minus 46 degree equal cos into bracket 136 degree minus x. By comparing it with this given question, we can now relate that this is equal to this and this is equal to this. So with that, we can now say that cos 62 degree is equal to cos 136 degree minus x by relating. That is cos 62 degree is equal to what? Cos into bracket 136 degree minus x. So by relating it, by comparing it, we can now see that cos, we cancel cos. That is 62 degree is equal to 136 degree minus x. Collect like terms. So x will now be equal to 136 degree minus 62 degree. So x will now be equal to 74 degree. That is the value of x. X is equal to what? 74 degree. You can also use another method or method 2. With that method is telling us that, don't forget that this question is sine into bracket x minus 46 degree equal to what? Cos 62 degree. Method 2 says that we should add the two angles together. That the summation or the addition of all the angles should be equal to what? 90 degree. Because complementary angle means when the summation of the two angles gives 90 degree. That is x minus 46 degree plus 62 degree. The sum of the two angles should be equal to 90 degree. Why? Because they are complementary angle. And complementary angle means the summation should be equal to what? 90 degree. So x minus 46 plus 62 will give us minus 16 degree is equal to 90 degree. Sorry, plus 16 degree. So collecting like terms, x will now be equal to 90 minus 16 degree. So x is equal to 74 degree. You get the same answer. As you can see, 74 degree, 74 degree. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share.